Hi, Dr. Devorah Walder from Spectrum Acupuncture and Wellness, and I'm going to show you how to use a gua sha tool. This is a little sample of the Moon Cream CBD based moisturizer that we sell here in our office. You can use any kind of moisturizer. You don't need much for this. Just put a little bit on your finger, and I'm going to focus just on the lower part of my face for the purposes of this video. And this gua sha massage has a benefit for any kind of sinus congestion, if you're experiencing allergies, and also just for facial rejuvenation if you're looking to help plump the collagen. So there's two ends of the tool. I'm going to start using this heart-shaped end and coming in from underneath the nose, coming up under the cheekbone. You can run that way 3-4 times, and then if you need a little more lotion, you can always add. I'm going to come down under my chin, helping to drain the lymph and also run through any facial lines that I may have accumulated from my life's experiences. So this is great for overall skin smoothing and skin softening, plumping the collagen, but also very specifically for helping drain the sinus. Okay,